Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from Technary.com. So we have an interesting tech news for you. The consumer tech brand Boat has launched a new device into the Indian market. These are the Boat Airdopes 461 TWS earbuds. Let us have a look at the features of this device. The brand Boat comes with various innovative devices in the audio segment. This device comes with the latest IWP technology, which is instant pairing upon opening the case. There is also longer playback time of up to 2 days. It has various other technologies like ASAP fast charge, crystal mode and beast mode. These earbuds can be a very much useful device for the gamers. The brand has solved the issue of low latency in real-time audio by introducing the beast mode in the earbuds to solve this issue. The crystal mode is helpful to be ambient sound ready, so the user does not need to remove the earbuds to be aware of the surroundings. This crystal mode is helpful to toggle the dual mics on which is helpful to listen the sounds around you. As mentioned earlier, the beast mode is helpful to provide real-time audio and low latency to enjoy best media and gaming experience. These earbuds are having 60 mAh LiPo battery capacity. These are helpful to achieve 6 hours of continuous playback with just single charge. The charging cum carry case has an amazing 600 mAh LiPo battery which provides another 40 hours of playtime. This is really helpful for the long trips and for entertainment too. So no need to charge your case again and again. You can certainly enjoy longer hours of playtime. These are having ASAP fast charge technology. It is helpful to fetch playback time of 60 minutes with just 5 minutes of fast charging. The IWP technology is helpful for instantly wake up, that is power on the earbuds by just opening the case lid. These are powered by Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity. There is a powerful 6mm driver for great auditory bliss. There are also dual microphones for providing optimum voice quality. The weight of these earbuds is only 5.07 gram, which are very much lightweight. So it has never dropped design, which makes them very much secure fit as per the brand. There are smooth touch controls on the earbuds, which makes them convenient to command playback. These earbuds are having IPX5 rating and these are safe from dust and water. These are available in bold blue and active black color variants. Any guesses for the price? It is having a price of INR 2999. Though if you want decent discount, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Also keep visiting our website which is technary.com and don't forget to follow us on our Instagram page to get the latest updates as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.